इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। Today I am going to share really yummy recipe of almond milkshake. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So watch this video till the end. Here are the ingredients you will need. Milk 2 liter, almonds 20 blanched, green cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, sugar 12 tablespoon. Now take milk in a pan and add green cardamom powder and sugar, then mix it and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Add almonds and turn flame on to medium low and cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool. Then pour almond milk into blender and blend it well. Then serve it into glasses. And in last, garnish it with chopped almonds. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button and share the video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.